Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. If you make that simple mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Chrysler 300 this generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find where your HVAC system fuses and relays are located, where you can find them, how to locate them guys, or if you need to buy any parts and tools, we'll share the information in the video guys. That way you can get them at a good price and you do not waste money and time. So let's start on it now. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, that way we can keep making these free videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff guys. And if you need to buy cheap parts and tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So the HVAC system fuses relays, where we can expect to find them, will work actually in two different guys fuse boxes. That's right, two of them. The first one, what we need to do, we need to go ahead and open the hood. Once you open the hood, see, it doesn't matter if you have a V6, V8 engine, you come facing the engine on the left side. That's the passenger side. You see, that's a fuse box guys. Press the tabs together here, pull the cover out, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always guys test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good, you end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So here guys, we need to zoom in. Multiple fuses, relays will need to be checked for the HVAC system. The first one is known as fuse number 12. So if we come in that row of fuses right here, those mini fuses, we start with fuse number, even if it's missing, you count that spot, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fuse number 12 right here will need to be checked. Then you need to check fuse 39. This is that last fuse in that row right here. That last fuse will need to be checked. After that you need to open the trunk, and when you open the trunk, lift the carpet liner up. Underneath you have a spare tire, car battery, and that's a fuse box here. That's a closer look of that same fuse box guys. Here you have a couple tabs, press them together, pull the cover out, you have that layout here. What do we need to check here? Now we need to check two different components. One of them, okay, will be fuse 32. Where is 32 guys? Now if you come in that row here, let me zoom in. That's fuse 31. Next to it, it's barely visible, but the next fuse on the right side is fuse 32. That's a 15 amp fuse. After that, you need to check one more, which is known as 53. So if you come in, okay, let me zoom out a little bit. In that row of fuses here guys, under that relay, that's now fuse 51, 52, 53. That will be guys, okay. So guys, now for the HVAC blower motor fan, we have one relay that we need to check as well, where it's located. Okay, let's explain. Okay, 1 second. Right here, that's relay 71. Also, guys, okay, you need to check fuse number 15, which is for the blower motor fan. That's a 40 amp humongous fuse, but those are the main things, guys, okay, that you will need to check on your Chrysler 300. So guys, that generation Chrysler 300 has all kinds of different size of fuses, guys. You can see different fuses, relays, that's the engine fuse box, that's the trunk fuse box. Those could be really hard to find, some of them, guys, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a replacement, you cannot get one, you may be stuck, guys. So we will recommend to buy some, put in the glove box for peace of mind, keep some spare ones. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.